Link Works Project, Introduction to PBLA, Part 1. What is PBLA? PBLA stands for Portfolio-Based Language Assessment. It is a classroom-based assessment strategy using the Canadian Language Benchmarks, or CLB, national standard. PBLA is learner-centered. This means teaching and assessment are based on what learners want and need to learn. Teachers do needs assessment with learners to find out what topics they want to cover and what real-world tasks they need to achieve in the different topics. Understanding the nature of a real-world task is very important for PBLA. A real-world task is a task that anyone, not just ESL learners, need to do in the community, at work, or in post-secondary study or training to understand material or communicate. Practice verb tenses is not a real-world task. Talk to your co-worker to negotiate which duties you will do is a real-world task. Real-world tasks in PBLA are aligned to CLB competency areas. Usually, there is one main competency area for each real-world task. Teachers look at the competency area to choose indicators of ability for assessing learners' performance. Teachers also look in the profile of ability for indicators, and sometimes in the knowledge and strategies. It is important to choose the indicators of ability that are key to the learners being successful in the task in the real world and for the CLB level. Once a teacher knows the indicators of ability for a task, the assessment task can be designed. For each topic, many teachers find it useful to create a module plan of the background knowledge, CLB competencies, and real-world tasks in listening, speaking, reading, and writing that will be worked toward and assessed at the end of a skill-building sequence. In the Link Works project, the module plan for each topic also lists the essential skills tasks undertaken in the module. Teachers use the language focus section of a module plan to design skill-building lessons for the tasks. To fill in the language focus of a module plan, teachers need to analyze each real-world task and determine the grammatical, functional, textual, and sociolinguistic components of the task that are important to learn. The language focus of a module is not a lesson plan. Teachers use the language focus to design skill-building lessons to cover the components. Skill-building lessons teach learners the knowledge and skills necessary to complete the task in the real world at the CLB level expected. This is called working backward from the assessment. The real-world task is the goal. Skill-building lessons are how learners reach the goal. End of Part 1.